In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw in Penup on the Samsung. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take out your stylus. So just go ahead and push it in, put the stylus in. Then once you hear a clicking sound, it is going to come out. And then from there, you're able to go ahead and begin using it. So typically you're going to notice that we're going to have a menu right here of like this pen icon. And if you press on it, then you guys have multiple different options. You guys can create a note or something like that. And most of the times you should already see the pen up over here in this menu. But if you don't see it, what you want to do is you want to press on over here where it says add. Then it is going to open up a menu that looks like this. Then you're able to go ahead and press on the pen up add in order to add it as a shortcut. And then once it is there, you're good to go. Then you can press on the pen icon, select on pen up, and you guys have multiple different options. So we even have coloring books as well. So if you just want to like go ahead and chill, you could always color, or you guys can make your own drawing over here by pressing on drawing. Then you guys could select on the custom height and width, and they do have a bunch of templates over here. And then you just need to press on start drawing just like so. Then press on turn on. Then go ahead and turn this on as well. Then from there, you're able to go ahead and begin drawing. So you can honestly draw whatever you want. So this is 100% up to you. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.